Well, just one of 126 of these cars were ever built. This is a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT Convertible in that beautiful Velocity Yellow. Just 20,000 miles on this car. What a beauty this is. Velocity Yellow, exterior, Ebony interior, and Ebony convertible top. Just a stunning vehicle. Under the hood, 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed manual transmission, so it's going to be fun to drive as well. Factory features include the $7,995 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. This includes heads-up display, tilt and telly, memory package, Bluetooth package, dual power heated sports seats, universal garage door transmitter. It has a great Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with navigation, steering wheel controls, and center console mounted USB and those auxiliary inputs as well. It has the Grand Sport package, the Z06 sized wheels, tires, and brakes, wider fenders and quarter panels, has the Z06 style rear spoiler and front grille, and the Z06 style front bumper, specific gear ratios. The car has a power top, dual mode exhaust, Velocity Yellow tint coat upcharge, chrome wheels look beautiful. It also has side airbags, OnStar HID headlights, keyless entry and start, fog lamps, dual zone electronic climate control, of course power windows. Well, everything on this car is power. It includes cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. We always say best of all, it's loaded with options. So this is a very rare 2012 Corvette Grand Sport Convertible, and it shows just 20,962 miles. It's an overall very good condition, and as we said, just one of 126 of these Grand Sport Convertibles built in Velocity Yellow. The car's paint is in overall good condition. It has a great shine. Convertible top is in good condition as well, and those chrome wheels are absolutely beautiful and in excellent condition. The interior, as you can see, well, shows good condition steering wheel, center console, door panels, and it has brand new leather seats. Other additions to this car include a flush mount body color rear spoiler, flat black ZR1 style front splitter, red brake caliper covers, and clear door edge guards. So this is a beautiful car. Give us a call here at buyavette.net today at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. So give us a call today. Hope to hear from you real soon. Buyavette.net.